Hello students, this is V. Srinivas working in SRR Government Arts and Science College, Karimnagar. Today I am going to discuss about the subject is operating system. The subtitle is the counting based page replacement and locality of reference and thrusting. So these three topics today we discuss. First of all, what is the counting based page replacement? So there are many other algorithms that can be used for page replacement, and we can keep counter the number of references that have been made to each page and develop the following two schemes. So what are they? They are the least frequently used LFU algorithms, and next one is the most and the frequently used MFU algorithms. So in this one, the page replacement, the page with the smallest count in the one which will be and the selected of the replacement, this algorithm suffers from the situation in which a page is used heavily, and the during the initial phase of the process, but then in the never used again. So before class we discussed by the page and the what is the page table and the difference between the page and page table. So number of pages, the page is the storage area that is used for the some memory, and replaced the one page and second page, third page, fourth page. So one page read completed, the second page we enter into the first page place. There is a replacement of one page to another page. So and the counting based page replacement, in the two schemes are there. The second one is the most frequently used and the MFU algorithms. This algorithm is based on the argument that the page with the smallest count was the probably just through in and have yet to be used. So this is the second scheme. So what is the next topic is the locality reference. What is locality reference? So the locality reference is, since size of the cache memory is less compared to the main memory, to catch which part of the main memory should be, and the given priority of the loaded cache decided based on the locality of reference. So in this the pages is it is what is this is the memory is divided into two types, that is the primary memory, secondary memory. So in this locality reference is the since size of cache memory less of the compared main memory. What is main memory? It is the computer operating system is the primary memory is the RAM and ROM, and the secondary memory is the read the hard disk. The hard disk is there, and next one is the hard disk pen drive. So and the next one compact disk CD drive. These are the secondary storage devices. The the priority of the loaded into the case decided by the based on the locality reference. It is the main important of the locality reference. So types of the locality reference. The special locality reference. The special locality of the reference says that there is the chance that and the element will be parent in the close and the proximity to the reference point, and the next time if again and the searched then and the more close and the uh, proximity of point references. So this is called the uh, potential locality reference. Next one temporal and the locality reference. In this and the least recently used algorithm will be used, and whenever there is page fault and the occurs within the word will not only load and the word in main memory, but the complete page fault and will be loaded because and the spatial locality of the reference rule says that the if you are the and the referring any word next and would will be and the referred in this and the registers that way uh, we load complete page table. So complete and the block will be loaded. And the next is the trussing. So what is the trussing? The trussing is a process that the and the spending more time and the paging than the existing set to and the trussing. In the other words, it the means that the process and that doesn't have the enough the frames to hold all pages for and its execution, so that the swapping means that one page to another page it was the transfer to the easily, that is called swapping pages, and the how to vary and the frequently to keep the executing, and the sometimes the pages which will be and the required in the near future I have to swap it out. And the initially when the central processing unit utilization is low, the process and the uh, scheduling the mechanism to and the increase the level of the multi-programming loads and the multiple process into the memory at the same time, and allocating a and the limited amount of the frames to each and the process as the memory fills up, and the process starts to spend a lot of time for and the required pages to be swapped, and the again leading to and the low central processing unit utilizations, because the most of the process are the waiting for the pages, and hence the scheduler loads and the more process to increase the central processing unit utilization, as this the counting continues at the point of time and the complete system comes to stop. So this is called the trussing. The trussing is the process that is spending more times paging the executing and the set to and the thrusting. In the other words of the means the process. The thrusting is the mainly process. Okay, and the process is the and the spending more times and the paging, that execution is the set to the thrusting. So, and next we discussed the operating system, devices and the drivers. So, what is the devices and what is the definition of devices? The input devices and the output devices, and in this computers mainly used for the devices. Without devices, the computer is the how to we cannot use. Okay, a device driver is the computer program which allows the higher level and the computer programs to and interact with the hardware devices. uh, Already we discussed about the definition of hardware. The hardware is the physical component of the computers. So we enter into the lab, we see the keyboard, mouse, monitor and the printer. These are the different types of devices is called hardware. So drivers are the hardware and the dependent and the operating system, so to speak. So what is hardware dependent? The drivers. What is driver? So drivers are the, it is used to the, just like we take the one printer, the printer is the connected to the computer, it cannot be work, so it will be uh, uh, installed by the drivers, and at that time the computer the printer is run by, and the printout will be come out on the page out. So this is called the drivers and the hardware, the dependent of the computer operating system specific, and they usually provide the interrupt handling and requiring for any necessary and asynchronous time and the dependent hardware interface. So a device driver and the simplifiers the programming by acting as and the abstraction layer and the between a hardware device and the operating system that use it, and the drivers are usually written by the companies that develop the hardware or by the others for free operating system, the Linux. So the Linux is the multi-user operating system, and the Windows also multi-user operating system, and the Unix also multi-user operating system. The most difference between the single user operating system and the multi-user operating system. The single user is the DOS commands, and the multi-user is the, it is a multi-programming and multi-user operating system. There is a difference between the single user and the multi-user operating system. So, and we discussed by the single user operating system. The single user operating system is the MS-DOS, Microsoft Disk Operating System. So in this the MS-DOS and the IBM introduced the DOS. So IBM company introduced by the MS-DOS, Microsoft Disk Operating System, in the 1981, and the latter many various like MS-DOS 1982 by the Microsoft were and introduced. So here The text-based operating system, the all DOS disk operating systems type, the operating system runs on the mechanisms with the Intel and the x86 are the compatible central processing units, and mainly the IBM and the PC and the compatibles, and the MS-DOS Microsoft Disk Operating System is the single user and the single DOS operating system with the basic and the kernel functions that are the non and the only one program at a time can be used them. So this is the history of the single user operating system MS-DOS Microsoft Disk Operating System. It introduced by the IBM company. So in the operating system 1981. So later many various the versions like MS-DOS and DOS is the first one. This is the MS-DOS is the 1982 introduced by the Microsoft were the introduced. So DOS introduced by the IBM, MS-DOS introduced by the Microsoft company. So the text-based operating system. All those types of operating systems are the run with the mechanisms with the Intel x86 compatible. So the DOS and the consists of two parts. So what are the kernel and the command. So command come, which is the command interface. The DOS kernel and provides the various functions for the programs like the displaying and the characters on screen and the reading a character from the keyboard and the accessing disk files and the memory, etc. So the kernel provides the various functions for programs like and the displaying the characters on the screen and the reading a character from the more keyboards and accessing disk files, memory, etc. The command.com the provided by the shell or user and the system commands. The new window versions provided by the DOS command and interface CMD. So the mainly the DOS commands are it was divided into the two types, internal commands and the external commands. What are the do of the internal commands? The internal commands is the prepare the file and the delete the file and edit the file. So total it is introduced by the DOS internal commands. So how to the commands based on the how to create the file, the copy count, file name, some information and F6 or Control Z, the automatically the file is created. So and the del and the file name given by the file single file will be deleted. So the dir we type on the C drive, we dir type the all files will be displayed on the C drive files, and the in this we change the C drive to D drive, the dir and the enter the D drive files are edited display on the screen. So the files are two types, files and the directories are there, create directory and the change directory, make a directory. These are the three types are there. And the next one is the Windows operating system. The Microsoft Windows has a and the significant of the majority of the market, the share in the desktop and the notebook and the computer markets. So mostly people used by the Microsoft operating system, the Windows has the majority of market share in the desktop and the notepad and the computer markets. And the Microsoft is the first introduced and the operating and the environment and the named Windows in the November and the 1985 as and the add-on to MS-DOS is the response to the growing and the interest in the graphical user interfaces and the GUI. It was a 16-bit and the operating system running on the top of the DOS, providing the multitasking and the graphical user interface. So the 16-bit operating system running on the top of the DOS, providing the multitasking and the graphical user interface. So Windows 3.0 1990 and the Windows and the work group 3.11 1992 and the improved the design and were the 16 by 32-bit operating system. Windows 3.1 had the internet and the explorer, the browser as a part of the operating system. So Windows operating system is the Windows 3.0, this is the version, and Windows work group is the 3.1. It was introduced in the 1992 and they improved the design and were 16 by 32-bit operating system. Windows 3.1 had the Internet Explorer, the browser as a part of the operating system, and later come in the Windows 95. So the versions are the Windows 3.0, Windows 3.11, next one is the Windows 95. It was introduced in the 1995 year, and the Windows 98 introduced in the 1998, and the Windows Me 2000 and Windows were the 32-bit operating system used FAT, the file system, and supported the DOS also. It is supported single user and multi-user also. Single user operating system also supported by the Microsoft Windows. And the next one, the NTFS was introduced in the 1993 as a file system for the Windows NT, the server, and it was later adopted the default file system for all later the releases of the Windows client and the server operating system. So what is the client and the server operating system? The server is the one and the clients are number of clients are there. It is relationship between the one system to the another system. The 10 clients are there and the one server is there. So the information will be transferring to the single user to multi user. So the clients are 10 members and they receive the data from the server and the store the large amount of data. It is a, and the configuration is the very large. The hard disk and the motherboard and the disk drivers are the very maximized sizes. And the Windows XP 2001, Vista 2006 and 2003 and 2008 are all available in the 32-bit and 64-bit versions. The most recent client version of the Windows is the Windows Vista. The most recent server and the versions is Windows Server 2008. And this is the Windows operating system, and next one is the Unix operating system. So this is also the one of the multiple operating system. The servers generally run on the Linux or the other Linux like systems, and the Unix was designed the Unix was designed multi-user, the multitasking operating system. Just like Windows is the multi-user multitasking, the Unix also the multi-user and multitasking operating system. The versions priority of the Unix operating system, it was introduced by the IBM and the AIX, Sun Solaris and the SGI, IRX and the HP, HPUX, etc. The public domain operating system like the various of the variants of the Linux or the variables. And today most of the priority operating system are also the available free and for the 86 platform also. So today the most of the priority operating system are also the available for free and the for x86 platform also. These are the operating system information. So the Apple operating system. So the Apple introduced by the Microsoft Mac OS in the 1984, which had a graphical and the user interface. So this is called shortcutly GUI. So GUI means graphical user interface. So the Apple introduced the Mac OS of 1984, which had the graphical user interface system, and various of the versions have the come since then, and the current versions is the Mac OS and the XV 10.5, the Leopard. So Apple operating system was based on the Unix and the much like and the BSD Unix, and so it has the always been and the more robust and the faster than Windows. So the processor the used in the Apple computer was the PowerPC until the 2006 when they switched over to and the Intel platform. So the Intel is the processor. The processor is the Intel company introduced by the 2006. The operating system is the mainly depending on the processor, the speed depending on the processor, and the next one is the multiple operating system. So what is multiple operating system? Multi boot system. The combination of the Windows and the Linux is the most popular. Generally the multi boot and the system boots into any one and the operating system at a time. So the virtualization software like the VM and the where and can be used to and the run multiple and the instances of the operating system and the simultaneously on the same the physical mechanisms. So just like we take the one example, the user used the multiple operating system. The multiple means at a time he do the documentation creation and he see the some videos and listening the songs and the web browsing of the different types of websites at a time. That is possible in the only for multiple operating system. So that is called multiple operations. The user is the one but using for the different types of operations in the system. That is the combination is the Windows Linux most popular multiple operating systems. Generally multi boot system boot in the any one of operating system at a time. So virtualization software like what is software? Software is the set of programs. The program is a set of instructions. So the software is divided into two types: system software and the application software. The system software is the Windows and the XP, Me and the Linux. These are the operating systems. All are coming with the system softwares. So the application software is the user can create the application software. So just like the database management and the hospital management, the software. And the next one, the it was the MS Office and the next one the SQL query and the SQL software, query software. So these are the softwares are application softwares. So different types of software available in the market. The user can use the application softwares the depending on the operating system. So what is the bootloader? So the booting is the process that starts in the operating system when the user runs on the computer system. So booting is just we click on the CPU button, the system was starts operating system when the first primary checking the booting system, the boot the files. A boot sequence is the initial set of the operations that the computer performs. It is the switched on the self-checking that is called booting. The loader the typically loads the main operating system for the computer. The boot loaders may be the multi-stage. So in the desktop computers, the boot process and involve the running of system, the BIOS, the followed by the second stage, the bootloader like GRUB and the BOOT, MGR and the LIFO or NTLDR, which is the located in the boot sector of the boot device or the hard disk. So this is called bootloader. The booting is a process that starts the operating system when the user runs on the computer operating system. And the next we discussed the operating system fundamentals. Just like we already discussed, but just to see the what is the fundamentals. The computer of the operating system, fundamental of operating system, types of operating system, and combined line tools. So the three elements of an operating system: user interface, the parts of the operating system that you interface with the kernel. So what is the kernel? The core of the operating system that is interacts with the BIOS, basic input output operating systems at a one end and at the UI at the other end. The file management system, the organize and the manages files. The operating system functions, what are they? They are the file management and the application management built in the utility programs and the control of computer hardware. The file management, and what is the file management? Application management and built in utility programs control the computer hardware. So file management is that we store the some information in the multiple operating system, just like the we prepared the notepad, some documentation creation, save the documentation, store the file. That is in this file, just like we call the folders, subfolders, and the files. We can store the some information in the file, and the application management and the built-in the utility programs control the computer hardware. The operating system types, the multi-user and the two or more users work with the computer that is the same time. In the more than multi-users, multi-users means two or more users to work with the computers the same time. That is called multi-user. The multitasking, two or more process running at the same time. So small difference between the multi-user and the multitasking. So multi-user is the two or more persons work with the different computers at a time, and the multitasking two or more the process works running at the same time. That is called multitasking, and the multi-threading two or more parts of the same process running the same time. So two or more parts the same process and the running the same, that is called multi-threading. So these are the difference between the multi-user, multitasking, and the multi-threading operating system types. And the PC operating system, the personal computer operating system, that is called shortcutly PC operating system, the Microsoft Windows and the Macintosh operating system, and the Linux operating system. So what is the PC operating system? The PC operating system, the MS Windows versions, Microsoft Windows versions, the home, the non-professional versions, Windows 95, Windows 98, Windows Me. These are the versions of the Microsoft Windows. The Windows 95 introduced in the 1995, the Windows 98 introduced in the 1998, the Me introduced in the 2000, the professional business versions, the Windows NT and the Windows 2000, the two links came and together in the Windows XP 2001. So these are the Windows versions are there. Professional business versions and the Windows NT, and the two lines come together in the so here home is the non-professional versions Windows 95, 98 Me, and the professional business versions Windows NT, Windows 2000, and these are the non-personals, and these are the business versions. So NT and 2000, the two lines and they came together in the Windows XP 2001. So the home, no security between the users of the computers and the professionals. User could be allows the other to view of the change the their files of the completely, and the block files from view, and the Windows XP and the two versions professional 2000 and home and 100. Then two other and the versions were the added the media center, edit and tables, and edition. Next one is the disk operating system. This is MS DOS, Microsoft Disk Operating System. The DOS introduced in the IBM, MS DOS introduced by the Microsoft company. The first PC operating system 1981. The multitasking operating system. Only one program could run at a time. The command line interface, no graphical user interface. So it is the command line only, and the early versions and the Windows sat on top of the DOS, and they used it to the communicate with the BIOS, basic input output operating system. Windows XP the communicates directly with BIOS, and but allows the commands be and the entered via the command prompt. File system. What is a file system? A file is a collection of bytes and the information uh, treated as a single unit, and it is given a name to and make it easy to find and user later. The file system keeps the track of where a file is actually and the resident on a disk. The disk hard disk is the floppy, and the optical disk is the subdivided into the directories or the files. So what is the file? A file is a collection of bytes. What is byte? The byte is a one bit is called 0 or 1, one byte is called 8 bits, and information treated as a single unit, and it is given the name to make it easy to find the user later. The file system keeps the track the where the file is actually resident on a disk. So a disk, hard disk, and the floppy disk, and the optical disk is the subdivided into the directories or folders. The file system continued. The top level folders on a disk is known as the the root. The root is the generally subdivided into the subfolders. So folders and subfolders. Any folder is or the subfolder can be contain the files and the other folders. The fully and the qualified file name in the included the name of the file and the path of the folder with the resides. So what is path? The C and the courses 01061 CIT 141 the chapter 4 point PPT. So the C is the drive. In this path is the C courses, and the 061 this is called path. The fully qualified the include the name of the file is the path to the folder, and the which what is folder and the subfolder. The folder is the stored the some information in the folder, and in this folder we can save the subfolders, different types of folders. Just like we take the one example, SRR government degree colleges folder, the subfolders are another one, science department, commerce department, arts department. So and these are the three departments is the three folders. In these three departments subfolders are there. What are they? So BSc, the science department available for the courses PSc MPCS, BSc Stats, and the BSc MPC, and next one BSc BZC. So and the next one, the commerce department available for the BCom computers, BCom general, and the arts department available for the BA and BA economics. So these are the different types of courses available. So SRR college folder available for the three folders, three departments. In the subfolders are there. So that is a folder and the subfolders. This is called the one example of the folders and subfolders. So the path is the we selected the we enter into the information the stored with the one path of the drive, that is called path. So C drive and the courses 061 and the CITL CIT 141 and the character for PPT. And the Windows registers file types. The particular file extension can be the registered and the associated with the particular programs, and the docx and the files are the associated with the MS Word. So and what is the particular file extension can be registered and associated with the particular programs. .docx and the files are the associated with the MS Word, and the XLSX files associated with the MS Excel. So .txt files are associated with the Notepad, and the .html files associated with the IE. So what is the MS Word and MS Excel? These are the contents of the MS Office. It is four parts available. The parts are the MS Word documentation creation, MS Excel. It is the calculation used by the MS Excel, and the MS Access. It is a front end and back end software, and the PPT means the PowerPoint presentation. These topics are available in the MS Office only. So these four topics user can use it for the different types of documentation creation, Excel calculation, and the PowerPoint presentation creation. And the next one is the Access. It is the front end and back end software. The document the preparation with the for example, we take the bank employees information, we enter into the ID of the bank employee, all total information available, the front application form creation, and the in this back end the table creation, the table and the sources, we take the employee name, employee designation, and the employee salary, and the employee total address. So these type of contents we enter into the 10 employees workers information we enter into the table, and the application will be prepared by the front page. So we can enter into the ID number of the employee data will be available. That is called front end and back end software. Back end is the table, front end is the application form. So this is the difference between the front end back end applications available only for the MS Access, Microsoft Access. And this is how and the Windows known as that to do when the and the double click a file my computers. And the next one, file attributes. So uh, each file has the four attributes and which can be viewed or set. The read only file may be and the viewed, copied and the executed if the appropriate, but not the changed. It can be deleted. And the hidden file will be not be displayed in a normal list of files. And the system, the file is identified to be and the belong to system and should not be messed with. And the archive, so file is or is not a candidate for the backup. So file attributes, so each file has the four attributes which can be used. So read only, the read only is the file is the viewed and the copied executed the approximately used. So just like we take the one file and the copy to one file, one place to another place, one drive to another drive. So it is copied and we can see. So hidden with the file not displayed in the normal list files. So it is the hidden means it is the it is we cannot see, but the hidden is the open while file will be see. The file not displayed the normal list files. So that is the hidden. And the system, the file identified belongs to system, should not be and the messed with. And the archive, so file is the or it is not candidate for the backup. So these are the file attributes, read only, hidden and the system archive. So these four topics are available in the file attributes. Each file has the four attributes which can be viewed, set. And the next one, DOS commands. So we already discussed by the DOS commands, the internal commands and the external commands. The internal commands are the resident main and the kernel file command dot dot, and the external commands are the separate little programs. It's and the important learn those commands, disk operating system commands, because you can and the write the scripts to execute a set of commands automatically. Just like we see the screen window in this slide, the command prompt. What is the command prompt here? The C and the program files. So and ADOBE. So this C is the drive. So this is the path. Microsoft version XP and the version 5.1 and 2600. This is the version. Copyright 1989 2001. Microsoft copy. So this is called the command prompt of C drive. The access the command prompt, type .cmd the in the run box and or it the menu and the start programs, the accessories command prompt. Uh, so three parts of those commands. What are the xcopy, mbie and the ctmt and the dtmt, command name and the switches and the parameters. So these are the three parts of a command, those commands. So thus wildcard and the characters. The characters and can be used to affect the multiple files with a single command. The means any single characters copy ctmp and the nodes doctmp. So means copy any word and the file that begins with the word nodes and with the exactly two other characters like nodes 01.doc and the nodes ap dot documentations. So these are the wildcard characters. And the DOS wildcard characters are there, the copy and the temporarily we can store the information. This is the copy information. So one file to another file, we take the information to copy old file to new file. And here the command prompt, the driver letter and a makes that your the current drive cd change a directory and md make a directory, rd means remove a directory. Just we take the place of SRR college. So we take the India and Telangana, Karimnagar district SRR college. So we see the only for India. In this the command make a directory to India and change a directories of Telangana and change a directory to Karimnagar, and prepare the make a directory of the SRR Government Degree College. So available we can see only for the directory is the India. Is subdirectories are underway of the under of the directory. So this is called directory. The DOS command md make a directory, rd means remove directory or the entire directory tree. So dir display all contents of directories, and the del deletes once more files and the copy one file to another file, x copy, and the flexible copy commands used to the copying large groups of files and the commonly used for the file backup. And the more DOS commands and the move rename attribute, the check disk. Move moves from the one folder to another folder, rename to one file to another file. So format check formats the disk, and the chkdsk tests the file and the system on the disk and the reports status. And the even more date time display the set current and the date time the PC type of displays the contents of your text file. So thank you students.